back to my channel. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, like, comment and share on my videos. तो आज हम जा रहे हैं ज़बील पार्क और आज हम करेंगे पिकनिक। ये और ये मेरी लिटिल सिस्टर। हेलो, let me remove that. Okay, so I'm very excited to go there because I have already outside, and I'll meet you when we get there. गेट नंबर 2 अब मैं अपने फ्रेंड का वेट कर रही हूँ। So guys, I had a trolley with me, and in the trolley there were camping stuff like a mat, a tent and a chair, and I love camping a lot. So as you can see, the park already looks very big, and from here you can buy the entry tickets. As you can see, my father's buying the tickets for us. So now we have entered the park, and it looks very clean and tidy. I love how clean it is, and many families came here for camping and relaxing, but some were like big groups doing activities and a lot of musty time, but I didn't have a group. So this is my little sister doing musty just as we arrived. As soon as we arrived, she started dancing there. Okay, so this is where we are gonna camp, and this is our play area, and me and my sister played in the slides, and there were a lot of slides and had a lot of fun. Also, I was scared to go in the monkey bars because what if I fall? One is up, one is down. And this is my little sister Avika sitting in the tent, and we both are eating chips, and this is where we are camping. look, we are right next to the frame tower. Because we are in Zabeel Park, and Zabeel Park is right next to it. And this is my friend Vanya. She's the same age as me, and she's my best friend. So guys, hope you liked the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now. See you next time.